Hey guys, sorry if my mood is down. Like, I literally had to force myself to just come and film. I've not filmed in days, and I don't know, I'm just kind of off, kind of down, and I just need to get. I was just like, okay, let me push myself today to just come to this video, and legit, that's why I'm here. And see, I'm not feeling this video right now, but I know I have to do it, and I have to put content out there because as a content creator, especially for someone like me that I'm still like trying to grow my channel, you have to be creative. You have to keep on creating content to gain more followers and all that. So basically that's what you know so I think for the next 3 or 4 videos I'm going to be talking about skincare ideas that you can do. Skincare business, in especially I think in the world, it's not just only Nigeria, because even the Philippines, I think Cambodia as well, they have light skin, but yet they think their skin is dark. And I follow I watch most of their videos. They talk, and even on Facebook you see most of them, they sell whitening creams and all that. So it's not only a trend here in Nigeria or Africa or India, or it's worldwide. So it's a really crazy market. Okay, so one thing you have to do is to gain your customer trust. And also, for the first idea I'm going to be talking about, and this is a very very good idea to me. I don't know if I should put everything in one video because it's going to be really long, and we shall see. Anyhow, I might just cut it into like the 3 parts. Or and sorry if my voice is low. It's like I said. So guys, welcome guys. If you're new, you're just passing by, I'm not always like this. Yeah, I'm not always like this, so forgive me. And welcome. It's a channel that talks about skincare and lifestyle, so feel free to check out our previous videos, and I'm sure you're going to see something you love in there. To my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. I really do love and appreciate you. From the bottom of my heart, I say a very very big thank you. And to my old and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and always sticking around. I really do love and appreciate you guys so much. So if you're watching me and you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. So today, like I said, skincare business or ideas that you can go into. If you're someone trying to go into skincare idea, yeah, it's good you go and learn. It's good you go and learn very well. And now YouTube, they don't put all their ingredients in there, which is why you have to do more research. But there are some free classes also online that you can actually take if you want to go into production and all that. It's legit. There are free classes online that you can take as well. Even some foreign YouTubers here, they always like, their website, they tend to put the measurement, how you can do this, how you can do that. Yeah, everybody will not tell you their secrets. But by the time you've watched like 4, 5, 6, 7 videos, or you've done your own research, or you're in different website that does free training, like they put it out there, their recipe out there like that, you can now look, oh, okay, this person added this person did not add this, so why don't I try it like this? And I always say, try on yourself first before you put it out there. Your pH is very important. Learn to test your pH level, and learn to keep your place clean. Hygiene is very important, because at the end of the day, you will not want to give someone a product where, instead of the product to be working, or yeah, the product is going to actually be working on the person, but it's going to start affecting the person in a negative way. Your skin is glowing, but yeah, you're having reactions and all that. People will not want to come back to you and buy. And also, if you're selling organic, tell people I'm selling organic. If you're not selling organic, let them know that I'm not selling organic, okay, or it's not 100% organic, because most people tend to want to they feel organic is going to whiten them, which is not correct. Pure organic will not lighten you. Like, it's just going to bring out your skin. I use pure organic. That's what I use. Pure organic. Okay, that oil I made, I showed you guys. That's the oil I'm using today. Like I told you, mine was the Nature Secret. I will leave the link in the description box for those who don't know, or in the comment section. So our sweet almond oil, rosehip oil, sunflower oil, mix them together, add a little bit some drops of tea tree oil because of acne and all that. That's just what I use, like, for my face, for my body. After that, using it for my body right now as well. So that's what I use. So you don't expect me to just get, but of course, if I want to get bright, I'm going to get bright. I just want this for now. And anyways, enough of this. So the first idea I'm going to be talking about is soap. So I've done a whole lot of soap recipes on this channel. You can do soap recipe. Like, some people can start up their business just by selling soap, and it's make, especially when you tell them, oh yeah, it's black soap and all that, people tend to rush it. People want black soap, be it liquid, be it solid, be it the normal way we do. Yeah, people do want that a lot. Like, a lot of people tell you they want that a whole lot. So soap is a very good idea, and there are like easy way you can do soap that even kids can use, which is milk soap. Get goat milk soap. So the goat milk soap is a base. They sell it. All these people selling organic things, cosmetic people, they sell it. Like, people selling organic things, actually they do have that. So you can either use the glycerin, or you can use goat milk, or you can use the two. But goat milk is actually preferable because it contains a very great nutrient, which is the base goat milk. So it does benefit the skin. So you can actually if you want to do fruit, a lot of people like fruity soap. So you can go about carrot for glowing skin. You can go on cucumber, pineapple, strawberries, orange, lemon, papaya. So you can do it different and sell. Okay, you see the way, like, all these other soap you will see this is papaya soap, this is carrot soap. Yes, they can put everything in one soap, but no, they have to sell their business. Okay, they have to sell. So you have to now okay, let me do this one as glow soap. And then you can make your base the goat milk soap, which is the base soap. What you do, you just have to measure it. Okay, depending on the size you want, any size you want. If you want to produce mass, you can do it mass production, but make sure you calculate. You have your you measure everything you're doing, so that when you're making the next set, you know that, okay, it's the same thing that is inside here. They say when two hands make jollof rice, they taste differently, abi. So what you have to do is just measure and know what you're putting inside. Okay, I added also gram or cup or spoon of this. I'm going to add same in the next batch. Always make sure you write what you're using out. Okay, so what you do, take some and cut, and then bring to a double boil. And by that time, you can wash your fruit you're using very well, and blend. So what you then strain out, you just need the juice, and then you can measure. If it's 3 tablespoons you want to put, you don't have to pack it inside. Okay, and that soap hardens really fast. So if you're seeing bubbles in the top, you spray alcohol, and just rubbing alcohol, and just spray the top, so it's not going to foam. You're not going to see that bubble at the top. So you can do it different, and then package it. So kids can actually use this because it is safe to use, and you don't need to add preservative inside, because the soap already has a higher pH, which bacteria can't grow in. So that's already a very good soap for you to do. Put your there's a stamp they do. Put your name. All these people that started today, how did they start? Okay, so do it. Advertise yourself. Internet is there for us to advertise ourselves. Even TikTok now, people do put their product out there to advertise themselves. So do that, stamp your product, package it well, and you can sell. Like, the trick is selling cheap. So but and that soap, yeah, is kind of cheap because you're just going to make it small, and it's also a gift idea as well. So if you all know you want to start, you can start with that. As first, give your friends, family, like, okay, I'll give it for a cheaper rate, or I'll give it for free, and let them test it. And if they like it, yes, it's going to, the one with carrot is going to glow skin, the one with papaya is going to brighten the skin, because papaya actually does contain a very high amount of vitamin C, which just helps to brighten the skin. You can also do the one with Irish potato, which is also whitening as well. Potato actually contains I can't really remember, but it does help to stop the production of melanin. So the production of melanin, it's that layer that, the dark part of the skin. So what it does is it eliminates it, and then you're not going to have that dark skin, which is why most people use carrot, Irish potato for their knuckles. A lot of people use it for their knuckles very well, and it works. It's just that people don't have that patience to do it, to continue using it. So but it does work a whole lot. So those are soap ideas. Then you can do liquid. You can even pro-mix if that's what you want to do. You can pro-mix soap, get a very good bath, get really great bath, and then really great serum and powders, and mix. Do your own research on things, and you can do it, and create your own. So soap is a very good idea, number one, for if you're going for going or thinking of going to skincare, or what can I do, I need to start something small. I get a lot of people asking me, like, how can I start small, what can I do, I really need money, the country is hard, like. So you can do that little by little. It's not easy, but you start small, and it's going to work out for you. So I think that's it. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is soap. So get a whole lot. You just check on YouTube. If it's black soap, you want to go on different, just talk of search on black soap, how to make, if it's glowing black soap, whitening black soap for kids, when you're using black soap for kids. Yeah, and then when you're working with black soap as well, so it's advisable. Yeah, you can use fruit. I do that, but when I'm using fresh fruit, I actually do make it in little quantity. Or if people say, oh yeah, I want fruity black soap, I know, yeah, I'm not going to make the soap in large batch, because it will still get bad, even though with preservative. And another thing about preservative is, don't go to chemical stores and get preservative. No, when you're buying your things from organic people, tell them to give you Germa Plus. There are other preservatives, yes, but Germa Plus is actually another amazing. It's very amazing. Like, it's what I use for everything. Are there others? There are others, but Germa Plus is very, very good as well. So you can use that. It does last, and trust me, fruity soap is amazing. Like, you will love it. Like, it works superb, like superb, very well. So excuse me, instead of doing the liquid, if you want to add pawpaw, carrot, banana, why don't you do it yourself? Buy the powders and add the powders in there. It's still going to give you the same effect. Yeah, it may not work as fresh, it may not work as fast as the fresh one, or make your skin like the way the fresh one is going to do, but that one is going to last you for a longer period of time, because you don't know when you're going to sell this product, depending on how many you make. Like, I don't make my product and keep. I just do once. I just put it out there, like, okay, I'm about to make product, who is interested, and then you get the whole list, and I make for those people, because it's organic, and I really don't want it to be out there like for a really long time and all. So good, that's it. And so get a good preservative. And when you're talking of fragrance, don't go and get all those chemical store and fragrance. Like, after a while it starts smelling. So you can put fragrance, you may not put fragrance. Like my customers, they don't, even in the lotion, to lotion, they don't even want fragrance. I'm like, okay, they are actually natural fragrance that you can, like which is why most times when you're seeing me doing production videos on cream and all that, I don't put fragrance because I don't even buy. I don't buy because they don't want it. They just feel, oh, it's artificial, it's this. Okay, so I don't buy. So most times you see that I put this thing inside. Um oh, this thing that is pink, bearberry and mulberry, because they have really nice smell. Like, it has a very nice smell on it. And also vitamin E is another. Get a very good quality vitamin E, not these ones that smell like. So soap is a very great way to start your business. So this is day one, and let's go to day two. Guys, I'm not feeling myself and I'm still wearing the same shirt and looking same because I'm shooting that video right now. So if you've not subscribed, if you've come this far and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get to know more on this topic I'm going to be talking about. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. Bye guys. The good thing about this soap is that anybody can use it, be it kids, but when it comes to babies, like I always say, stay clear. It's why I don't do things for newborn and all that. Their skin is very delicate. It needs to be, just let it be. But yeah, this, anybody can use it, from kids to adults to grandma, grandpa, aunties, uncles, and all that. So everybody can use this. Okay, it doesn't have any bad effect. It's all good. So there are also liquid soap out there that they are plain, so you can just formulate it to being your own. You can add now they make Snow White powder, Giga White, and all those stuff, Kojic inside, and like in a serum or liquid now. So it's something you can add instead of you trying to dissolve powders and all that. But yeah, you can dissolve it as well, but you can also still buy the serum for those that it's actually very hard for. So they do sell that liquid soap. It's plain, there's nothing in there, so it's just for you to pro-mix in there. So I remember this and I said, let me just come talk to you, because if I remember more, I'm still gonna like cut the video and come. I was actually shooting for day two, and then I remembered and I came back.